So if you're feeling down about yourself because you constantly compare yourself to others, here's a way of thinking that therapists use that might be beneficial to you. Instead of asking whether you are abnormal or normal in some way, or whether you're doing the right or wrong thing and constantly comparing yourself to other people in that process, try shifting the conversation to one of workability. Workability is about asking, does what I'm doing serve my bigger goals in life? Is what I'm doing aligned with my values? Is what I'm doing going to help me achieve my goals later in life? You see, when you start to interrogate your behaviors based on the effects that they have, rather than on whether they are right or normal or abnormal, you start to look at your behaviors in the broader context of your life and your goals, where you're headed. This is an effective way of evaluating what you're doing, because it removes you from having to answer questions that are sometimes impossible to answer, such as, is this the right thing to do? Am I okay? Am I normal? So there you are. Now, go be your own therapist.